My name's Allena and I'm on Caitlin Little and Courtney Burr's senior project. I joined DECA so I can have the business skills and skills that I'll just use in the future. My goals is basically to gain those skills, be better at public speaking, and to learn how to be a team leader, so in the future when I'm a senior I can teach the juniors. I feel like you should join it because it's a fun program to be in. I feel like that you'll learn a lot, you'll have a lot of friends, you'll learn a lot of skills that you'll need.